Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Harmony price prediction and Harmony news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Harmony in 2022. Harmony is a blockchain platform designed to facilitate the creation and use of decentralized applications, dApps. The network aims to take an innovative approach to running decentralized applications and focuses on random state sharding, which allows new blocks to be created in seconds. Stephen C. is the founder and CEO of Harmony. He holds a PhD from the University of Pennsylvania in cryptographic protocols and type theory. Upon graduation, C. became a research intern at Microsoft. In 2006, he began working as a senior engineer at Google and has been with the company for 4 years. In 2011, he founded Spotsitter, a successful search engine that was later acquired by Apple. In 2014, C became Apple's chief engineer. He founded Harmony in 2017. The founding team of Harmony is made up of 12 people, 7 of whom are ex-Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon employees. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Harmony. Crypto.com gives users in excluded countries 1 week to repay loans. The decision by Crypto.com comes just within a month of BlockFi's $100 million penalties for its lending products, as many speculate regulatory clampdown could be the potential reason behind the decision. Crypto.com is reportedly giving users from countries restricted from its loan program until March 15 to repay their crypto loans. The firm updated the list of restricted countries to include the United States, the United Kingdom and 38 others. Users from European nations such as Germany, Switzerland and the UK have all shared emails from the company regarding the loan closure date. It's worth noting that some of these users who do not have crypto loans on the platform have also received the emails. According to the new policy, if users fail to repay their loans by March 15, their collateral will be sold and loan positions will be closed by the exchange. Crypto.com didn't respond. It's been retested twice over the last week. During press time, one was trading at 14 cents, gaining 0.51% over the previous day. The RSI of 42.50 recovered from the oversold area over a few hours, due to a momentary spurt in buying strength. However, the CMF was still under the zero line, thus indicating an overall bearish directional momentum. Failure to maintain the buying strength might move the coin even lower on the price chart, with the flexibility of Substrate has attracted the second largest developer community. Now that pair chains are live, it is time to showcase the developers' capabilities to the world. When projects participate in a crowdfund for a pair chain slot, they often gather the support of their communities in exchange for their native token. Equilibrium won the most recent pair chain slot with over 610,000 DOT and 1,685 contributors. Unique Network is positioning its project for the next pair chain with over 524,000 DOT contributed from 2,271 contributors. Each pair chain brings unique functionality and use cases to the ecosystem. Layer by layer, issue 26. Solana, Near, and Polkadot quick take. In this weekly series, we dive into some of the most interesting data and developments across the Layer 1 blockchain landscape. From DeFi and bridges to network activity and funding, new cross-chain protocols continue to emerge, spurred on by persistent demand for interoperability and shared liquidity between chains. Unified strategies between L1s, bridges, and DeFi protocols are proving to be effective at streamlining user adoption. This week, we take a look at Solana, Near, and Polkadot. In finance, he was primed to Orange Pill Senegal. He returned to his home country disheartened to learn that CoinUp, a website showing Bitcoin vendors and merchants around the world, had 0 locations in Senegal. That's despite singer and influencer Khan's plans to set up a crypto-style Akon city. Passionate about Bitcoin and equipped with the knowledge that a Bitcoin beach idea in El Salvador eventually lead to the first country to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender, the 29-year-old was inspired to try a similar thing in his hometown. Since setting foot in Africa's westernmost capital, Dakar, Nauru has made progress, as well as founding Bitcoin Senegal, and literacy rates are high. He's approached beach bars, restaurants and barber shops, happy to come day or night, if there is ever a problem with BitPay or Lightning terminals. In the restaurant Prina, see picture, the Bitcoin sign is loud and proud. The owner of the establishment, Renee, is a surf coach and freethinker who was open to the idea of Bitcoin. Why not? They accepted their first payment in Bitcoin on February 24, having set up a pay server earlier in the month. Nonetheless, volatility in the Bitcoin price and education continue to hamper Nauru's orange pilling efforts. It's for that reason that he advises vendors to include a 10% markup for Bitcoin payments. Equally, he spends considerable amounts of time sitting down with retailers going over Bitcoin before introducing them to the Bitcoin Layer 2 solution, Lightning. Regarding education, it's simply not time-effective to attempt to equip taxi drivers or street sellers with QR codes and BTC Pay servers. For the self-employed hustlers, a conversation and a mention of the YouTube channel is a useful start. Instead, Nauru is targeting restaurant owners, business people, surf schools and established commerce. It's a small but vital step towards further Bitcoin recognition in the country. Investments in marketing has started to take a toll on its balance sheet. The exchange's aggressive marketing splurge over the past year has raised many eyebrows, given the company, unlike many other crypto unicorns, hasn't raised much capital from investors. Crypto.com's marketing budget, which includes millions being spent on celebrity endorsements, buying of arenas and much more, have been a topic of discussion on the internet for a long time. However, the sudden change in its lending policy has only made the theory more prominent. Crypto lending products have been under regulatory scanner for over a year now, with several crypto firms getting a security violation notice from respective state regulators. Gemini and Celsius offered lending products that came under U.S. Securities and Exchange (SEC) investigation in January, while BlockFi was slapped with a $100 million penalty for offering unregistered crypto lending products in February. The second news here is why the SEC keeps rejecting spot Bitcoin ETF applications. Crypto investors still hope that the SEC will approve a spot-based BTC ETF one day, but data shows it has good reason not to. It is not the first time the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) rejected proposals for a Bitcoin spot exchange traded product (ETP), but efforts continue to be made by different financial institutions. Today we will discuss the Harmony price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. Harmony course forecast 2022. One has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Harmony, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 21 cents. One is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 21 cents. One rate prediction 2023. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Harmony will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2023, one is expected to peak at 30 cents. The minimum bet could go up to $0. 25 if the market turns bullish. Harmony price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Harmony could cross 43 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 38 cents. Harmony price prediction 2025 and 2025. With wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, Harmony price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach 63 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 56 cents with a maximum price of 63 cents for 2025.